Hey everybody, today we are going to make, or try to make, some origami strawberries. This is actually a fail video. I did not achieve this the way that I wanted to. These are supposed to be three-dimensional. They're supposed to puff up and look like little round strawberries. That did not happen for me. And if you are able to follow the instructions, which I am putting in the description box on our YouTube page, and I will try and link on Facebook, if you are able to manage that, if you can make a strawberry that looks like the strawberry in this picture, then what I will do is, upon submission of proof that you have done this in a video or in a physical strawberry you show me, I'll give you a piece of candy. So if you can make that work, I will bribe you. And just as a note, my hands are not actually sky blue. That's just what the video looks like. Don't know why, not gonna fix it, because that requires skills I also don't have. Sometimes we know how to do a craft and it works out really well. Sometimes we think we'll experiment with a craft and it works out okay. And other days you try and make an origami strawberry and it just does not origami. Up to this point, it looks like I know what I'm doing and it's working. And it is. Everything I did up to this point is correct. This is the place where it starts to fall apart. That's okay. I mean, it's just a little disappointing. So seriously, if you can make this work, I want to see it. I want you to come in or email teens@wabash.lib.in.us or send me a reel of you doing it or a video of you doing it on Instagram at Wabash Teens. I just want proof that you did it. That's all I want. I want to see that someone can make this happen. And again, I will give you candy. I have this stash of prize candy from Battle of the Books and other programs we've done. I will give you candy if you can do this. At this point, it's supposed to puff up. And I will not tell you how many times I attempted to blow into this strawberry to make it blow up. A lot. A lot. It was disappointing that it didn't work. It was a sad thing. This is where it really went off rails, I think, for me. I think I was supposed to collapse those folds, but I didn't. Anyway, this is not so much a craft instruction video as a challenge, and I truly hope that somebody comes through for me, because I think that would make my year if somebody brought me a little origami strawberry of magic. So check out the link in the description and make me a strawberry. See, I was able to make a faux strawberry. It's supposed to look like that, but with the top closed, and I don't know how people did that.